We already create these tooltips under the heart, but now we are going to create the animations. So if you remember the real Instagram, it will pop up, and then for a few seconds, it will disappear. So now we are going to add these animations. So we have to go to the tailwind.config.js, and then we are going to create the extend, and we type animation, and then we have fade, and then we use fade 5 seconds, and this fade we will create this later, and we use the is in out method. And the next part, we are going to create these fade keyframes. So we add keyframes, and then we use this set of keyframe for the beginning. It has 0 opacity, so we cannot see it. And then all of this we use the left 50% and transform, translate negative 50%. And if you follow us from the start, you already know that this is just for positioning the center of the heart horizontally. At the beginning, we use a scale 0, so it will jump from 0 to 1 if you do not specify the scale. So it just like pop up from the top. And then after that, we will make the opacity to be 0, and then it will scale down to 0 again, so it will disappear. So now we are going to add the animations to our heart tip. So we go to the heart tip component, and then we go to here, and then we add animate fade. Now we save it. Now you can see it pop up, and then after a few seconds it disappears, but it appears again because at the beginning we haven't set the opacity to be 0, and also we want to just like from the top, so we have to add the transform origin top, but in TailWindCSS it can be short form as origin top. So we save it. Now if we refresh the page, you can see it jump out and then it disappears from the top.